I'm going live on TikTok right now, or YouTube right now. So VChain to $1. And let me get set up there on YouTube. And I am live on YouTube as well. Zero point 0.6 for something. All right, thinking same. AMP 2. I'm very bullish on AMP. Yeah, I like XLM. Thank you, memes. Thoughts on CVO Crypto's last predictions? He's been on point so far. I hope he's wrong. I hope we don't go to 37,000, maybe even 32,000 before going off to the moon. But whatever the case, we're going higher. So what's up? Hola, Cesar. Is this a dead cat bounce? No, cats don't bounce that high. Good entry price for Solana. I think you'll find a better entry price sometime soon. I wouldn't get in now. So do you think XRP will fly when the court case is over? Yeah. Algo's insane. I noticed that. Yep. Phantom, don't really know enough about Phantom. All right, shorting till Sunday. Yeah, maybe not a bad idea. When do you think a good time to reinvest? I've been saying that Bitcoin under $44,000 is when I'm going to reinvest. So am I holding long? I'm not. That's not a long-term hold for me, no. Hello, another day. Price prediction for XRP and VET, $8 to $10 for XRP, $1 for VET. Hello, Peter. I am live on YouTube. For those of you on TikTok, I won't be able to respond to every question on TikTok, but I will on YouTube. Cosmos to go higher. Yeah, definitely. Have you seen Helium? I haven't seen the price, no, but I have seen Helium. Quant, very bullish on Quant. I don't do Quant predictions. Do you see ADA hitting $10? Just possible. Yeah. SHA, I don't know what that is. Thoughts on Crow, 50 cents. I'm very bullish on Crow. Do NFTs have bear and bull markets? They probably will another day. Yeah. I think you could just slowly, over 2 weeks, go back up to 53K. I don't think we're going to see 53K this month, the rest of the month. So, hey, what's up, Sibo? Guys, yeah, the YouTube chat the TikTok chat's already getting to, hey, what's up, CVO Crypto? TikTok chat is getting way too hot already. So I am live on YouTube. Hop on over to YouTube if you really, really want your question answered. Do you saw Hex was number 4 on market cap on Coin Market Cap for a few minutes. They, yeah. And I guess they moved it then. Satisfying Sounds. My Twitter is WW Bitcoin. What's my plan for September? I sold about $11,000 of Ethereum. I'm looking for a lower entry point. And I sold that when Ethereum was 3,900. And I'm not buying at 3,400. So, man's predicted 25% correction. Yep. Just got my money back from HBAR. Do you recommend it putting back in or wait for a dip? Yeah, thank you, Carly. I don't know. I mean, in general, I think we're going to see more of a dip coming up here. So World War Bitcoin on YouTube. Link versus Litecoin. Short-term Litecoin, long-term Link. Do you see $8 to $10 end of the year? It's possible, but I've been saying $8. So price prediction for Algo, I've been saying for a while $7. What are your thoughts on INX security token first? SEC registered token. SEC registered. I mean, man, the SEC is so obnoxious right now. It's like, man, to the moon. They just had them and HBAR and things like that. XRP, when the suit is over, they have better. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh, there's less danger in the future for them. Where do you think Bitcoin will go next? I think we're going to see a little bit more downward momentum, but October, November, and December will be great. So, happy Thursday, Crypto Moonbags. Is Elrond a good buy? I think so. Yeah. Are you investing in any coins in the Solana ecosystem? Just Solana. Predictions on FTM. I don't really have one. Not really paying attention. Why hasn't VChain exploded? Will it break its all-time high? It'll break its all-time high. You just got to be patient. VChain exploded earlier this year. So, and again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube right now, and I cannot answer every question on TikTok. So CVO Crypto's predictions. I'm seeing that he has nailed it so far. So there's one thing that I want to ask him, and that is, all right, if he thinks Bitcoin's going to 37,000 before launching to the moon, and Ethereum's going to 2,200 before launching to the moon, it's like last time. The only thing that would make me hesitate on that is like we are lower in price in comparison to last time. I think we're too far down, and I'd need to ask him that. But I don't see us going to 37,000, but he's paying attention to Fibonacci levels, and he's been on point so far. So if it goes down to 37,000 or even 32,000, don't panic. It's going to be quick, just like it was in 2017. Sorry, my kids are crying all of a sudden. When Bitcoin, what's up, VidMaker? When Bitcoin will go under 44K, which altcoins, what coin should I invest in? I'm investing in Litecoin and Ethereum, but throw a dart at a dartboard. You think that it's significant that ETH ADA almost made a rebound to their all-time highs while Bitcoin did not? No, I don't think that's significant. Nope. Thoughts on VXV? I bought VXV for the first time yesterday. Would you rather we watch on YouTube? No, watch on whatever platform you want to watch on, but I am live on YouTube, and I'm able to answer every question on YouTube, but not on TikTok. VXV to 100. Chili's, I'm not a big fan of Chili's, but it'll go higher. HBAR $2. Can you give a short summary for Litecoin? I couldn't find a video. No, August 26th is when I made the video on TikTok. One thoughts. Hey, what's up, Sambo? I'm not really paying attention to the price. So Harmony 1, underrated, but good project. But that's all I'll say for now. I'm way behind. Why no price predictions on Quant, but you'll do it for other coins? Because Quant is not in relation. Like Quant doesn't move with the rest of the market. It has its own movements, and so I base everything off of Bitcoin and performances in comparison to Bitcoin plus fundamentals. So I feel lost with Quant, but I just think it's going to go higher. Cosmo or Dot. ETH bought in 2017, 3 digits, keep or hold. If ETH hits 2,200, I'm adding 3 more ETH. Excellent. Why do you see Litecoin doing 10x? What's that based on? It's based on Litecoin. You watch the video, August 26th on TikTok. Buy ETH tomorrow, wait for potential dip. I'd wait. It's so hard not to FOMO right now. Yeah. It's always good to buy some, Good time to buy algo. I said yesterday, yes. Today I would say hold off a little bit. ICP, good longer short-term investment. It is. I'm not a fan of them, but it is. Radium, don't really know enough about Radium. I just got my money back from HBAR. I answered that question already. I would just hold on to it. Thoughts on Stellar, buy or not to buy? Stellar in general is a buy for me. But again, right now I'm not. Like I would just wait a couple weeks. What's up, Smiles? I would wait a week or two. Wait a little bit. Is a good time to buy XRP? In general, yes. I've been watching you a lot. What do you think about Luna? Do you mean Luna, Ruben? I don't own any Luna, so I haven't done a deep dive on it. It seems legit though. So, do you dabble in NFTs? It's tied to ETH in a way. I have one Ethereum NFT and one Solana NFT. They haven't done great. So Solana made a break for it. I think I'll hold it forever. Okay. All right. That screen looked better than the other day. Yes. HBAR or AVAX? HBAR. Do you think September will finish flat or lower than now? Flat. Pablo is a red candle. Okay. Chase Gordon, 8-ball goat heart. Okay. I'm on Coinbase Pro where XRP is not tradable. Where should I go to get XRP? Uphold. Luna will hit $100. Sam, I agree. Yeah. What price would you sell your Link? Link's a long-term hold for me. So 4 figures. All right, 3Bud, I see your question. After watching CVO, I'm confused AF to hodl or sell. Of course not NFA. Just my recommendation is to hold. But, he tweeted that he's 80% in fiat right now. So Have I sold my positions? I sold $11,000 worth of ETH at $3,900, and yes, I think there will be more dips. And I bought about $2,000 back so far. I'm looking to sell to get some more. Oh, Lena. No, I don't know anything about Lena. Why was I unfollowed on your YouTube channel? I have no idea what you're talking about, Paul. I did not do anything. Crow coin, very bullish on Crow. Crypto.com is going to exist for a long time. And so it's going to go much higher over the years. Do you believe XRP will have good returns? Yes, yes. What would be a good time to invest? Wait a little bit. I'm waiting for another shakeout. I see your comment, Lee John. All right, thoughts on Tezos? Don't really know enough. Sorry. Am I going to stake ADA for Sunday swap? No. Tenzo? I have no idea what Tenzo is. What makes me dislike Pablo? He doesn't admit that he's wrong. And we strongly disagree with things. Hey, Hazleton. Oh my goodness. My kids decided to play the drums outside of my door all of a sudden. So where's Anchor going to be? End the cycle? I don't know. Radix. I've heard of Radix. I don't, they solve the trilemma and makes claims. They beat all layer one solutions out there. Okay. XRP price predictions, $8 to $10. Bitcoin, $200,000 a cycle. Binance, 1,500 maybe. Profit taking strategy for top selling Bitcoin. I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin, but when you see things go up like that, I want to invest more. Have I missed the train? If you started investing in 2021, in essence, you missed the train, because the time to have invested was 2020. Cardano hit 2 cents in 2020. Yes, Bitcoin, $200,000. Imagine investing in something at 2 cents and seeing it 150x. So, VET still going to $1? Yes. HBAR long-term or short-term investment? Long-term. How do you feel about FTM? Don't know enough. Just watch your Litecoin vid. Good stuff. Do you see Litecoin dipping? Yes, I think Litecoin's going to dip in the next few weeks. I didn't know about crypto in 2020. Hey, well, 2024. Buy in 2024. Yes, I think Bitcoin's going to hit $200,000. Litecoin long or short? Over the next week, short. Over the next 3 months, very, very long. Quant exit price, I don't have one. It's going to hit 5 figures this decade, in my opinion. Axie hit 94, dipped to 55. Now a good time to buy more. Axie might be a good time. It might be a good time to buy Axie, yeah. So, man, it's at 68 now. Litecoin buying price under 150. What do you recommend investing in now? Ethereum and Litecoin. Like right now, nothing. Right now, I would wait until next week or so. I do think there will be another buying opportunity like Tuesday. I think it's going to be a sharp, a very quick drop, and it might even go to the 30s. Question about ACH. Listen, I don't know enough about ACH. Sorry. Will you hold Quant long term? No. I want to see what a bear market looks like for Quant. Quant really has not had much of a bear market since it was created. Want to get into Cardano? Is it too late? Wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. What other altcoins thoughts on HBAR, short term, long term, both. $2 this cycle. Anchor prediction. I'm not long term, very bullish on Anchor. Anchor is going to exist long term. No, don't sell your Cardano and buy at the drop again. So how about investors for 2021? Good to double money from here, then sell and reaccumulate and bear. Yeah, you'll double your money. If you buy now, you'll double your money. HBAR prediction, $2. When is the bear market? After everything shoots up like crazy, then we will enter a bear market because they'll crash really hard. You still think we're going to continue the 4-year cycles of bull runs? Yeah. Seems the market is changing as we speak. It might not be the same, but I think this time around it'll be the same. Stake your ADA. If there isn't there profit if I buy at the drop and sell now at a higher price? Yeah, but what if it doesn't go down? Slimy bets. I mean, it's like so many people ask questions. like things are 100%, and nothing's 100%. As far as like, I think we're going to go down over the next week. And what if I'm wrong though? You know, I mean, I have been accurate lately, but how fast will they crash? Like 50 to, not 50 to 60%. No, 30K Bitcoin in September, not 30. If we see the 30s, it's going to be very fast. It's going to be within like an hour. So are my kids training to be carpenters? Have I sold my positions? I sold 10% of my Ethereum at $3,900. And the reason why I did that was more so because of the reason why I did that was because I have about $10,000 of taxes to pay. And so it was one of those things. If Ethereum went up when I sold at $3,900, I would just, you know, I would use that to pay taxes. Is it worth buying Solana now? I'd wait a little bit. Buying more VXV? Probably not. No, I bought 99 VXV yesterday. I'm good. Thoughts on Sushi Swap? I like exchanges. I like platforms. I don't have a price prediction though. Smiles, I have not. That's pretty wild. You're welcome. Better second half. Follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. I am live on YouTube right now. There's no way I can keep up with every comment on TikTok. So hop on over to YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Is it better to sell everything than buy again? Absolutely not. No. When bear market hits, should I just invest bit by bit during that 4-year cycle or wait for the run up? It's different for every crypto. I'd say a year. If things go parabolic like they always do, I would say wait at least a year to buy during the bear market, except for Ethereum. Ethereum's different. Thank you, Carly. VeChain to $1. Ethereum is going to enter uncharted territory in the bear market. So HBAR $1 into 2021, maybe. I think it'll peak at higher than that in early 2022. Should I sell a limit order on ETH around 2,500? Wait for it to fill? Maybe. It's always asking for your predictions. Yeah. All right, Joe. I don't care if people don't ask how my day is. Excuse me. If you say Quant is a 5-figure coin, why not hold? Somebody made. I've got to see what Quant looks like in a bear market. That's why. Uncharted territory. How? Quant has not had a bear market. We don't know what a bear market looks like for Quant. It can't go up forever. 38K maybe. Should I convert some of my Bitcoin to some altcoins? Maybe. I'm not converting any of my Bitcoin to altcoins. Quant will perform in a bear market? Maybe. We'll see. I don't know enough about Dent, sorry. Let's say it drops. What kind of price we taking for ADA and XRP? Under $2 for ADA. Well, no. ADA's at $250 right now. Maybe like $225. Hex rising. Should I buy? Is Hex a scam? Hex might be a scam. Warren, my day's good. Thank you. Since the last dip, I tried to buy in Coinbase system crash. Now my account has been locked. Oh, no. Should I sell all my Dogecoin? Don't sell your Dogecoin. I think it'll rise. Yeah, I think it'll go to $1. Thoughts on XRP? VXV prediction long-term. I don't have a long-term prediction. Listen, I am very, very new to VXV. Yes. I think it's going to hit no, well, I don't know. I think if it hits the 30s, it will be like a flash, and then it'll bounce really quickly back. So thoughts on XRP? It'll shoot up after the SEC suit, but regardless, I think it's going to $8 to $10. How low can HBAR go in September? Maybe to the teens. I don't know. If I have the funds, should I buy an entire Bitcoin? I think so. I think everyone's goal should be to own one Bitcoin. Solana worth buying now? I'd wait. What will Alonzo hard fork affect ADA price? It doesn't seem like it's going to affect it all that much. That's coming in 3 days. And should I sell my devil? Yeah, I'm not messing with devils, you know. That's just a little too much for me. What happens to stock market and crypto bear market? It just chugs along. Quant max price. I don't do max price. I mean, I think it's going to hit 5 figures this decade, so... Bitcoin price prediction in time scale. $200,000 between November of this year and May of next year. How deep will the next bear market go? Not as deep as the last one. Because of staking, like Ethereum might not have a bear market. They're going to have a major supply crunch. Bitcoin's going to have a supply crunch. Cardano 70% staking. Solana 70% staking. Would you stake ETH to ETH2? No, I'll just hold it on like BlockFi or Celsius and get those returns. I also feel like Quant could crash hard. Team has majority of supply. Maybe. Yeah, what does a Quant crash look like? Thank you, Smiles. Why is it bad to sell and buy again at the dip? Because you're not 100% sure it's going to dip. You know, you could sell and then have you done any technical analysis, Anthony? Have you done anything that would make you convinced that it'll dip? If you've done the work, then by all means, sell some and buy at the dip. But if you're going off of some influencer's opinion, you should hold. That's why. And that's the same question. I get that question like 100 times a day. If you're willing to do the work and actually do some technical analysis, then sell and buy again. If you're going off of my opinion, you should hold. Would you buy and stake Cake? Yes, I have. Cake is my third biggest holding. I answer it wrong 100 times a day. Okay, all right. Cake is my third biggest holding. I have like $60,000, $70,000 worth of Cake, and I'm staking it. So yes, it's worth it to buy and stake Cake. And sorry, Anthony, that's just my frustration with like people asking me that question over and over again. It has nothing to do with you. When should I buy XRP? I mean, before the SEC suit ends, which is now, You should go live with CVO. Yeah, we're going to go live. We're definitely going to go live at some point. Can I do a boxing match with Pablo He-Man? I can do a boxing match, not a kickboxing match. So, all right. Thanks so much for your advice. You're so down to earth. Thank you, Sumaya. How high will Algorand go this cycle? I've been saying $7 for a while. Where do you see ETH a year from now? A year from now? I mean, I think ETH is going to peak at $15,000 this cycle, and then I could see it going down to $5,000 or so, but then shooting much higher because of EIP 3675. Their mining is going to be done away with. The staking rewards are going to be insane. Again, I am live on YouTube. I cannot answer every question on TikTok. But on YouTube, I'm working my way through the comments. Quant and VXV are massive. VXV to Coinbase and Binance. That's going to be awesome. VXV 5-year prediction. I'm so new to VXV. I can't do that. I bought VXV for the first time yesterday. So what's CVO crypto name on YouTube? I think it's just CVO crypto. So what are main indicators of a good coin? Because my sister is convinced that lower price equals better. Oh, no. Market cap. Lower market cap equals better possible returns. So, thank you, Grant. In your Litecoin vid, you said that it could do a 2x, 4x in comparison to Bitcoin, which you think will do a 4x. So you think Litecoin 8 to 16x? Yes. You think we'll dip to 30s? If we do, how long the dip lasts? Couple of minutes? I mean, literally, it could be a couple of minutes, Umar. Do you think it's worth holding on to my Shiba? Yeah, I don't think Shiba's ever going to hit a penny. But like if it hit 1/100 of a cent, you would kill it. And could it hit 1/100 of a cent? I don't know. I mean, Shiba might be dead, honestly. It's not going up. SafeMoon's not going up right now. Like everything else is going up, but those meme coins. So I don't know. All right, cool, Dave. Yeah. Luna price prediction 100. Yeah, not a kickboxing match. You never know with those guys, but a boxing match, yes, I'd whoop him. You think we'll dip to the 30s? Yeah, very quick. ICP bull run price at top, not its all-time high. I don't think it's going to go to that. Thank you, King Tyson, I mean. Shiba up 500%, I thought. Not for the last few months. No. Should I buy more Bitcoin now? I would wait. Best hardware wallets probably Trezor. Should I be worried about my quant? I'm not worried about it. I know that it's having a fairly down day today, but I mean, if a week ago you told me quant was going to be at $290, I would have been ecstatic. So no, I'm not worried at all with quant. Where's Phantom going to? No idea. Sorry, I don't own any Phantom. Opinion on helium miners? I think they're legit. I'm very excited to own one. I'm not going to buy one until the bear market, though. I want to invest a little more, but I think I won't be able to this September, too late. You know, if you buy in September, you will do well. After that, it's like just let's ride this train, you know? Thoughts on VRA? I know VRA is really hot right now. I tend to stay away from coins that get scorching hot. Here's my recommendation. Algorand yesterday. I noticed Algorand got rejected at $1.89, which was its all-time high, and then went down and then shot higher. And I was like, this thing's ready to pop. If you see something moving towards its May high or something like that, and it's like 88% there, but not there yet, that's a good time to buy. So, IOI, I don't know. Is it worth buying quant now? I think everyone should have some quant. 308 today. Yeah, it looks like it's consolidating. Yep. How many dips do you think this September? I think one more big dip. And big, I mean a few $1,000s for Bitcoin. So XYO, I mean, what do you want me to say? XYO. I mine coin on my phone. I mine it, you know, and I convert it to XYO. That's all I know about XYO, really. So can XLM hit 4 this cycle? Maybe. Quant 2K, who knows? Maybe. I have an extra 1,000 to spend this week. Where should I put it? Wait till next week, Christian, and buy some Ethereum and Litecoin. Hex to $1 by January 2022. I mean, it's at 45 cents right now, you know? It's like, but are they going to rug pull? And it's weird. It's not too late for XRP, no. You're welcome, bro Zients. Thank you. Have a great day as well. Matrix swap. I have no idea about that. So, the course is not coming out for a while. Tarkeen, not coming out for a while. So, Polkadot 28. Is this a good idea? I see it at $30, but AMP long-term hold. No, AMP's not a long-term hold. I have 5 long-term holds: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. VXV to 149. Dude, I hope the crypto weatherman's right about that. Should we wait to invest? I think you should wait a little bit. Yes. XYO. Yeah, I just messaged. Oh, it just got listed on Coinbase. Okay. That's why people are asking about it. So how many quant to be a millionaire? 100, and you'll be a millionaire this decade. Thoughts on SEC versus Coinbase? I think Coinbase is going to fold. They're not going to do that 4%. So you don't think Solana or quant are long-term holds? No. But here's what I'll say about Solana and quant. Those are number 1 and 2 for my bear market purchases. I am backing up the truck on Solana and quant in the bear market. I'm hoping to put like $50,000 into each. I am buying a ton of Solana and quant in the bear market. So Solana prediction end of year. Listen, in July, I said $200. And now I'm like, I have no idea. I have not revised my prediction. And obviously, I think it's going to be higher than $200. Yeah, Solana is definitely a long-term hold. Maybe. Yeah, so XYO's on Coinbase today. That's why so many people are asking me about it. Once a coin gets listed on Coinbase, stay away from it for like a month. Because what will happen is it'll pump like crazy, and then it'll dip as people take profits. So which coin should we buy ASAP? Nothing right now. Wait until next week. After that, I'm buying Ethereum and Litecoin. Why wait till a bearish trend to buy a helium miner when their estimated arrival date is around 3 months? Because I think it'll take I don't think there's going to be nearly as much interest in a helium miner, Bagir, during a bear market. So Algo, I think, will go to $7. Any comment about Pablo He-Man? What do you want me to say? I'm not a fan of his, and that's been very well established. Do you take classes on learning to read graphs or you learn on your own? I just learned on my own, Juan. Which coin? Yeah, I answered that. Trios, don't really know enough about Trios. Can't see Bitcoin staying up here much longer. No, I mean, Bitcoin is undervalued right now. Listen, I'm a really big metrics guy. Glassnode.com is the holy grail for me. And on-chain analytics are so unbelievably bullish right now. But we've got some things, technical analysis is not as bullish. And so it's one of those things, I think technical analysis will win in the short term, but the on-chain is showing me that we're going to go much higher. CVO crypto, yeah, I have Dean and Bance. We talked a lot about him, and he's been on point so far. So he's making me, he's influencing my opinion. Should we also wait till next week to buy Algorand? Maybe like a short trade would be fine, but what can Quant reach this year? I have no idea. 4 figures, maybe. Any update on a dip coming and any pullback before we take off? Jose, I think we're going to see a dip and a pullback. I have not bought anything today. Don't worry, Who5. Do I still remember you? Not quite. Sorry. I interact with lots of people a day, so... What do you think Quant and Solana will go down to in a bear market? Not sure. I'm going to wait until 2023 to buy both of those. So Hex is a dodgy project, but it seems to be truly decoupled. It is decoupled, that's for sure. But man, why Solana? Kevin, I made a TikTok about Solana. I mean, I've been consistently saying 2 things, which I need to revise one of them, but that Solana would hit $200 this cycle. And that it would be where Ethereum is now. Solana would be that in 4 years. So, all right, Samson says Solana or XY is not tradable on Coinbase. I think it's on Coinbase Pro. I think that's what they're saying. Any predictions on Rune? No, I don't own any. So how many kids do I have? I have 5 kids. Who do you look up for crypto TA inspiration? CVO Crypto Weatherman. Definitely the blockchain backer and Benjamin Cohen on YouTube. Just saw a video on Solana of yours and bought some today. Okay. Is XRP a good long hold? For me, I would say no. And the reason why is because of how it performed last bear market. If they were proof of stake, then yeah, I'd be more confident about it. But no, not going to do it. But I will enter XRP and sell at the top, hopefully, You think we'll dip again the next few days? Yes, I do. Cool stuff on the web. That's an XPR. Nope, none, sorry. It amazes me how predictions can swing so much from person to person. Yeah, sure. But okay for any other buys. I'm waiting till next week now. Okay, yeah. Tell me something about Cardano after 12th of September. I don't think it's going to have a big effect on the price, honestly. I think if it did have a big effect on the price, we'd be seeing something right now. Would you sell ADA for HBAR? If I don't have any HBAR, I would sell some ADA for HBAR. Just can't get to 100K XRP. What? 5-year quant price, much higher, much higher. Litecoin and HBAR price prediction October, November. Man, this kills me. No, I'm not going to do it. Sorry. At the end of the cycle, $1,500 for Litecoin, $2 for HBAR. Should I sell my algo? You should take some profits, like sell a quarter of it. Put it in stable coins, get some 9% staking on that. Yeah, a lot of people asking me about CVO's prediction for ETH at 2.3K. I mean, he's a friend of mine, and I am taking his analysis into account when I say that there's going to be a dip. Another dip, that it's going to be very fast, and then we're off to the races. And so I don't think 2.3K though. No, I don't think it's going to go that low. XRP is probably the best lottery ticket you'll buy. Hey, XRP is my 4th biggest holding. So only been in crypto since April. Thank you, Kevin. Check out the Solana video on TikTok. Yeah. Thoughts on Cosmos? It's a competitor with Quant, but not entirely. It's decent. I think $100 this cycle. So hello, Cornelio. Crow, love Crow, love Crow. I love it. That's all. Ethereum Classic is good for short-term plays. It'll outperform Ethereum on the way up and outperform it big time on the way down. Can Bitcoin go to 30s? Yes, and it'll be very brief if it does. Very, very brief. Let's see. XRP has 0 fees and super undervalued. Yeah. Shiba Inu got added to Coinbase Pro, so I put $50 in case. Already down to 35. Yeah, Shiba Inu's had some interesting price action lately. Am I selling any and trying to buy the dip? Shannon, I sold some Ethereum. I sold $11,000 of Ethereum at $3,900. And I've bought about $2,000 worth back so far. I'm going to wait a little bit. So Craig, I've talked a lot about CBO's predictions. He has influenced me for sure. And I do think there will be a dip. How high do you think Solana will go? I've been saying $200 for a while now, so I have not revised my prediction on that. Do you have limit orders set at mid 2K? I don't have any limit orders, no. I might need to set some, though. Any thoughts on EOS? Not really. I don't think it's going to do all that great. I mean, it'll go up with the rest of the market. So does Riot versus Mara, which one has more upside? I lost a lot of money buying calls on Riot earlier this year. I lost $15,000 buying calls on Riot, and so don't ask me. I'm too biased against it. What is a quant competitor? Cosmos, kinda. Wait till next week to buy HBAR and Litecoin. Yes. When do you see everything start to pump? When will the cycle peak? October is going to be a good month. Some people think EOS will go to $91. Maybe I'm crazy. What limit order would you set on Solana? Man, it's so hard with Solana. It's just been pumping so much. How about 170? Not too far below where it is now. But October will be a very good month for crypto. November will be a good month. December will be a good month. And January will be a good month for some alts. But then after that, I think it's going to be rough. Best option to stake on during a bear market, does Crow count or just stable coins? The first year of the bear market, I'm going to be mostly in stable coins aside from my 5 long-term holds. Well, aside from my 5 long-term holds, I'm going to be entirely in stable coins, getting 9% APY. And then I'll start chipping away at that after a year. So Crow will integrate the world. Can XRP reach $50 one day? I don't think this year. So got a limit order for Litecoin at 125. Hey, maybe it'll get filled. How do you know when to short or long Bitcoin in the appropriate setting? Oh, man, I don't know, man. It's like I'll buy some puts. I'll buy some puts in Bitcoin correlated stocks when I think Bitcoin has peaked, and I'll make a killing off of that. But other than that, I'm not messing around with that. Do you think this is the last part of the cycle? Alts blow off incoming bear market over the next several months? Yes. How long? Top 5 long hold favorites: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. How long do you think bear market will last? It depends. You know, between I'd say mid 2022 to the next Bitcoin halving, so 2 years. 80% cash 2 weeks ago. Okay, have fun. Nobody's buying Bitcoin at 46K. Who will buy it at 100K? Nobody is buying Bitcoin at 46K right now. Because September is historically a bad month. They're waiting to buy. Don't confuse that with they're not buying. They don't want to buy at 46. Do you think this, all right, let's see, been buying CTX on Gemini between 4 and 5 is the total market cap coin, 41 million. Now just under, all right. I trust your judgment. When will the XRP lawsuit end? No idea. You know, I wish I knew. I agree with you that October, November, December should be good. Why do you think BitBoy Crypto thinks September, early October is the end? I really don't know. Cyan, I think it's because, yes, JXR, it's a taxable event. Thank you, Baseball 408. I think it's because he is strictly saying that it's a set period of time from having to peak, and I disagree with him. So, predictions on VeChain, $1. What do you think will have the highest return by the end of the cycle? Something that I've never heard of, Storm. Something that I've never heard of. Is quant staking confirmed or just a rumor? I don't know. My 5 long-term holds: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. I've not been watching Phantom. Chart's insane. Stay away. You know, stay away. People said that about Bitcoin at 30K after it pumped from 10K. Yeah. Yep. Wish I could have chosen other coins. I hold XRP, XLM, and Quant. Missed out on ETH and HBAR. Yeah, I mean, everyone's going to have something that they're going to regret not buying, so I don't know enough about Luna. Elrond, I don't have a price prediction. Their tokenomics are insane. They are very aggressive. They want to make holders money. That's all I'll say about Elrond. What are you looking to pick up after we have another dip? Litecoin. I'm boring. Sorry. Solana versus ETH. I think Solana will outperform ETH over the next several years. But ETH has its place. ETH is going nowhere. So which coins will you look to to stake in the bear market? Year 1, stable coins. Year 2, I'm getting into cake for sure. And other than that, I don't know. I'll do plenty of staking. Thank you for those gifts. Do you see Solana trading volume double Bitcoin? No, I didn't see that. No. Looking to pick up some Litecoin and Link, so I understand. Okay, there we go. Got 35K. I already have 17K invested in Bitcoin. Where do I put the 35K? Ethereum. You've got to have everyone should own some Ethereum. Everyone should own Ethereum. I think we're going to peak at $15,000 within a few months, but we're entering uncharted territory with Ethereum. Honestly, it could go much higher throughout 2022 and 2023. Maybe like late 2022, early 2023. It could go much higher. But other than that, you know, spread it out among alts. Chainlink, Solana, Theta, Maker, Matic, Algorand, Binance, XRP for sure. I could go on. Polkadot, Mobile Coin, don't know enough, sorry. How many more buying opportunities do you think this September? One big buying opportunity. I think there'll be one big buying opportunity. Why Litecoin? August 26th, I made a TikTok about Litecoin. Every time the word Litecoin comes out of my mouth, I get that question, and so I'm sorry, I'm just not going to answer it again. Check out my TikTok on August 26th. What's considered a stable coin? Things that are pegged to the US dollar. USD coin, Tether, Binance, BUSD, GUSD, ACH, don't know enough, sorry. Dot moves, I don't know. Predictions on Solana, $200 this cycle. That's a joke. That's what I've been saying since July, and I have not revised my prediction. C98, I have not paid attention to C98, sorry. You think the dip this month has still yet to come? Yes, I do, Jacob. Yep. Thank you for those sunglasses. What stable coin is the safest USD coin? Is Chainlink a good buy? Yes, $200 for Chainlink. AMP to $1. AVAX, I like AVAX. I don't own any. Do you think the Fed will talk tapering after their September 22nd meeting? No, I don't. And the reason why is because of the, you know, some certain economic things that haven't looked so good. Like non-farm payrolls didn't look very good. What's going on with Binance's website? I don't know. GRT prediction, I don't have one. VXV to $100. All right, satisfying sounds, 50K ETH, end of 2022. Listen, that's possible. As crazy as that sounds, that's possible. But I think more, if it were to hit 50K, I think it would be more like 2023. What do you think of ICP? I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns, but it'll do well. What coins do you look to buy during the last dip other than Litecoin and ETH? Listen, I'm all in. So I'm only going to buy Litecoin and ETH. You know, I bought some VXV yesterday. Some skinny guy, I see that question, if I would make a video on loans. I'm still very much learning that because that is what wealthy people do. Okay, that's what wealthy people do. And, you know, I want to do that too if wealthy people are doing it. So nothing beats Terra. You mean Tether? Because UST is Tether. Okay. Best smart contract ecosystems. Man, I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm not going to give a response to that. I have no idea why people trust in Tether. They are so shady, but people are too scared to speak. Yeah, they're shady. How long do you think the opportunity will last? Umar, I think it's going to be very quick. So, what does a COVID-related black swan do to the crypto market? Is there a scenario where it benefits? Yeah, I mean, it'll be terrifying for a moment, and then it will, and then, you know, we'll get our stimulus and we'll put it all into crypto, and then we'll go to the moon. Serum, don't know enough. 1,000 an amp vet or ADA. Oh man. I honestly all three. Just split it up. Are we due for another dip before it pumps? I think so. I did not say VXV to $200. I said to 100. Which cryptos will you hold over the next 5 years? Bitcoin, Binance, Ethereum, Chainlink, and HBAR. Good time to get profits out before dips or hold. There's that question again. Have you done any research, or are you going to base your decision off of what some random person on the internet says? If you're basing it off of what some random person on the internet says, you should hold. But if you're actually going to do your own research, then sure. How quick could quick be? An hour, maybe that quick. I don't like ICP, but you know, take my emotions out of it. I think it's going to go up. Where did you buy your VXV on Uniswap? Cardano to 8 by November. No, I think more like January. Your views on Quant and Solana. Those are I'm crazy about both of them. Yeah, Crypto Oracle. I'll tell you when I think the time comes. Yeah. I'm crazy about Solana and Quant. Those are cryptos that I'm going to be looking to put a lot of money into during the bear market. Are 20 Quant enough? It depends, you know. I think 20 Quant's a good number. I don't have 20 Quant. I wish I had more. So CND, I don't know what that is. You think AMP hits $2? No, not $2. But I've been saying $1. I mean, that's still very bullish. What do you think we dip to? I could see us flash into the 30s for like a second. 45 Quant, excellent. When will be the bear market? After everything shoots up like crazy and then crashes down really hard, bear market. Is it advisable to get out of Coinbase altogether? No, not necessarily. I mean, I like Voyager. You know, use my referral code ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. I'm not holding Quant for over 5 years. I've explained that. I want to see what Quant looks like in a bear market, and maybe I'll regret that. But yeah, I'm not holding Quant for. I will exit and then look to get back in. Yeah, I did say AMP to $1. Why is VGX price hurting right now? That's a good question. I don't know, because I like Voyager, so I like VGX. Yeah, Bitcoin I think is. I would be shocked if Bitcoin didn't hit 100K. So I see that question there. 100K easy. I'm thinking more like 200K. XYO launches on Coinbase soon. They are a decentralized network of devices that anonymously collect and validate geopolitical data, geospatial data. Yeah, I use the app, and I convert my coin to XYO. So excellent. Do I like BitBoy Crypto? I don't dislike him. Yeah, I think he's fine. I think he gets a lot of hate because he's like the biggest crypto channel on YouTube or something like that. So buy VXV on Coin Metro. Okay. Oh man. Yeah, I don't use Coin Metro, but there we go. Solana price in the bear. Maybe, you know what? It might be lower than where it is now, Zlatan. So, but I don't know. Why would we want to get out of Coinbase? I get that fees are high, but why else? I mean, they crash when at inconvenient times, but like a lot of platforms crash at inconvenient times. So I think Coinbase, one thing that I like about Coinbase is that it's very secure. I have no concerns about holding my crypto on Coinbase long term. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. Look up World War Bitcoin on YouTube. And follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. I am able to answer every question on YouTube, but not on TikTok. So, yeah, SEC's targeting Coinbase. It doesn't matter. Coinbase will most likely do what the SEC wants them to do and get a slap on the wrist and be fine. Link price 2023, that's the middle of the bear market. So lower. Maybe not lower than where it is now, but lower than the peak for sure. Quant price during the bear. Yeah, Quant is so unpredictable. I don't know. Voyager and Uphold crash when things go crazy. BlockFi crash. They all crash. Will Chainlink hit $100? I very much believe so, yeah. Solana price in the bear. Yeah, I don't know. Why would we answer that? You said you mine XYO. I mine something else and convert it to XYO. Go to worldwarbitcoin.info. My head's in the way. Worldwarbitcoin.info. You'll see information on how to mine XYO. Mine XYO, whatever you want to call it. I mine coin. That's all. That's what it's called. It's coin, and convert it to XYO. ACH don't know enough. Buy the dip. There will be a bigger dip, I think. To convert DOT to quant. If you don't own any quant, yeah. Mina protocol prediction. I don't know. Mina got a lot of hype. I don't even know where it is right now. Mina got a lot of hype. And then as we would expect, it dipped pretty hard after they launched. And so, all right, 8.1 got down to around $1, under $1. Oh, man, $20, that's a total guess. When do you think will be the next dip? I think it's going to be soon, within a week. And then after that, we're off to the races. And then next dip, how low will Bitcoin go? I think we're going to be for a moment, just a brief moment in the 30s. Thoughts on Golden Cross for Bitcoin? I thought it already came. What's a crypto you sold but wish you didn't? Honestly, man, that's a great question. I'm going to say none. And the reason why I'm going to say that is because, listen, I sold 25% of my Solana at $73. And I make it a rule to never regret taking profits. Never. And that was a 3x for me. I was happy with that. And then I still had a decent amount of Solana left. And then I sold another 25% of my Solana at $132 and converted that to quant. That quant went off. And so, no regrets. I regret selling at a loss, but not at a profit. So how do you see the coming months for cryptos will go to the moon? Man, I've been very clear about that. I mean, we have mirrored since July, and even before that, we have mirrored the 2017 and 2013 bull runs. In July of 2013 and 2017, we had a bullish hammer, a trend reversal that sent the price much higher. August was a good month. September was flat. In 2017 and in 2013, that was the case. In 2021 is looking exactly the same. Bullish hammer in July. August is a good month. September is flat. And then in 2013 and 2017, October, November, and December were all good months. And so I expect the same thing this time around. And I know I get really annoyed when people say, you can't base it off of past performance. No, when we're looking exactly like the past 2 cycles, you should base it off of past performance somewhat. Don't guarantee that it's going to happen. But anyway, do you mind? Where do you mine? I don't mine cake. I stake it. Sorry. Oh, thank you, Gagne. XYO is up 73%. Got listed on Coinbase, so I only joined Coin Metro to buy VXV and skip ETH fees. It's a great platform to buy non-listed coins for cheap fees. Excellent. Ergo, don't know enough. Sorry. Vet in the bear, higher than where it is now. That's all I'll say. Dot down, I don't know what that is. Prediction on XLM and Matic. XLM, $2 to $3. Matic, $8. ETH worth after 2 years. That's very difficult to predict. It could be much, much higher than where it is now, which is, normally the bear market. What platform do you recommend to get Coinbase? That would normally be the bear market, but is 1 or 5 years good for staking cake? Between the two, 5, you won't regret it. But 1, I'm going to sell all of my cake in a few months. I have $60,000 or $70,000 worth right now. Any chance for quant to come down so I could buy more? I mean, it's down today. It topped out at 380. Now it's at 280. I wouldn't wait too much longer. Right now, total crypto market cap is around 2 trillion. If Bitcoin hits 100K and ETH 15K and everything else, total market cap could probably be 5 or 6 trillion by December. Yeah. Yep. All right. I only hear you on my left, but other channels are just here at normal. Sorry, man. That's on my end, but I don't know how to fix it. So why do you think ETH will flip Bitcoin? Just curious. Man, it seems like ETH continues to gain. So it's all about momentum. So AMP thoughts how low it will go in September, maybe a little under 5 cents. Oh, where do you stake it? On PancakeSwap.finance. What do you think of QuantStamp? I don't know enough about QuantStamp. Do you have a price prediction on XRP, $8 to $10? You're welcome for doing this. What should I buy? Wait a week. I'm going to buy some more Litecoin and Ethereum. That's it for me. What's up, Elohim? Do you short? I don't short. Maybe at the very peak I'll short. Thoughts on Cardano? $8 the cycle. I'm not a huge Cardano fan, but I'm bullish. Solana short term. What's up, 251? Solana short term. Down and then up. And that's my opinion on everything, basically. Philip Young. Are they actually going to be sued by the SEC? I think they're just going to play nice. They have a good thing going. Why mess it up with 4% APY on USD coin? Stellar, bullish, $2 to $3. Do you still believe the bull run will continue? Absolutely. I should look into. I don't even know what I should look into. Hey, Esther. Price prediction on an SLP. Don't know enough. Litecoin. What would be a good price to buy? 150 or so. VRA. I don't have a price prediction for VRA. Sell my ETH and rebuy lower. There's that question again. Yeah, Litecoin is great, but not sexy. Yeah. All right. Here's that question again. Should I sell my ETH and buy lower? Are you basing that question off of what some random person on the internet is saying? If so, just hold. If you're actually willing to do your own research, do the work, and you think, yes, you should sell and buy lower, then do it. Yeah, I know some believe we're entering a bear market. I disagree with them. Solana price prediction. I have not revised my price prediction yet. I still need to look into it. Because in July, I said $200, and it topped $200 already. So higher than where it is now. Thank you, Igor. API 3, I don't have a price prediction. Is Atom worth having? Yes. Yeah. XLM will 10x. Yep. Without an ETF or huge institutional buy, Bitcoin momentum, market done, influences in the flock only pushing. I'm not sure what you're saying, Young. When can I buy Bitcoin? Waiting a week. All right, I've been on for an hour, and I'm going to be done now. So for those of you on TikTok, if you're watching me on TikTok, you don't follow me. I've been pretty on point lately. Follow me on TikTok, but also follow me on Twitter. And if you have a question that I haven't answered yet, you really want me to answer it, I'll head over to Twitter. in right after this is done. But also subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Thank you. I see several of you following me on TikTok. Really appreciate that. Yeah, my daughter is cute. She knows she's cute. Thank you, Elohim. Thank you all. All right, another staking solution. What do I do for a living? I sell groceries on the internet. Thank you, Dave Jackson. All right. Thank you all. Mustard shot. Yeah, man, that's rough. All right. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter. I'm getting infiltrated now. So have a good one.